Good afternoon, YouTube. Today I'm doing some chicken drumsticks. I don't know, about 6 hours ago I started marinating half of them in this Weber chipotle marinade. Then the other half I have seasoned up with this chipotle seasoning. They've been resting out for probably about 15 minutes at the most. But right now I have the Camp Chef running on low smoke. I'm going to smoke them on low smoke for the first hour. And I am using Camp Chef's all new charwood cherry blend. So I'll smoke them on low smoke for an hour, then I'll go ahead and bump it up to high smoke for an hour. Then the third hour I'm going to go ahead and combine them all together here with some carrots, potatoes, onions, and peppers. I did end up picking up Camp Chef's front shelf. I found myself with the Sidekick needing more shelf space now that I have so much more versatility on the grill. Okay, the drumsticks are on. I just started the timer. Go ahead and close it up. Here we are, we just come up on 1 hour. Let's take a quick peek. Alright, let's close it up and go ahead and bring it up to high smoke. There they are, looking nice. I went ahead and turned on the barbecue grill box also to put some color on the vegetables. We do have the carrots down here on the grill box, and I did also add my Dutch oven to the smoker here with the vegetable broth in there. I'll go ahead and place the drumsticks in now. I did just turn the Camp Chef up to 350 after I put the Dutch oven on there. Potatoes now are on the grill. The carrots are in the Dutch oven along with the chicken. Take a peek at the potatoes. Okay, got some nice grill marks. I'm going to go ahead and put the potatoes in, put it all together. So here's the chicken and carrots, onions and peppers, and some thyme. Here we are at 2 hours and 25 minutes. I have everything put together in the Dutch oven, along with some salt and pepper and some more of the chipotle seasoning, and some fresh thyme. Give you a quick peek. I'm going to cook it uncovered like this for probably an hour, hour and a half from now on. Took me a little bit longer to get it ready. Let's go check on the chicken drumsticks. I think it's been an hour now since they've been in the Dutch oven. I did turn 30,000 BTU heater on low about 40 minutes ago. It looks like we're over 60 degrees in here and it's like 30 degrees outside. I do have a fan running up there now, pushing the hot air down. Alright, where are we at? 3 hours, 20 minutes. Let's take a peek. It's looking good. So you can see it is steaming away. Potatoes are feeling nice. We'll let it go another half hour. Cools off quick out here. The magnets don't do a very good job after 350 degrees. It does say right on there. I've left that cover on there hotter than 350, but the magnets do fail after it gets close to 300 degrees. Here we are, 3 hours and 46 minutes. Looking good. I'm going to go ahead and pull it off, let it rest for a little bit. Well, here we are. Things had a chance to cool off a little bit or rest. Maybe they didn't cool off very much. Go ahead and dish myself up. And as always, thanks for watching. And go ahead and subscribe. More videos to come in the new Outdoor Cook Shack. If you need to know more about Camp Chef, just go ahead and click on the link in the description.